Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a custom. This custom is called Junebug, and she's supposed to be done in June, but a tree fell in my house and kind of delayed a lot of stuff. So we're going to start off with a Peachy. We're going to go in with some acetone. She has some, I think, nail polish on her hooves. And we're also going to remove her cutie mark. So after we clean up her face, we're going to go in and give her a nice little buzz cut. We want to cut really close to the scalp there. And then we're going to take the pliers and pull out the hair plugs from the inside. Next up is the first on our channel. We are going to be dyeing a pony. We're going to use Rit Dye More. The Dye More is for synthetics. You also saw me put a tablespoon of non-dish detergent in there. They recommend doing that, so that's what I did. This is a stainless steel pot and stainless steel tongs, so that the dye doesn't affect them at all. Because it is a synthetic, the only way to make sure that it gets dyed is to do it at a boiling temperature, so the water is on high. And I'm going to keep stirring it the whole time. Next, we're going to go in with the cutie mark, and I have started using gel pens to kind of map out where I'm going to paint before I start to paint. It's been working for me. I'm thinking about different techniques to start to use, but for now, this is what I'm sticking with. So now I'm going with acrylic paints. This is a miniature painting paintbrush. I'm just filling in those outlines that I drew before. Once I was done painting the cutie mark, I did go back in with a dragonfly top coat. It's a glitter top coat to give extra shimmer and shine and kind of secure that paint onto the pony. So here I am measuring out how much hair I want for the tail. So there's kind of two measurements you have to think about. First off, you want it to be twice as long at least as what you want your tail to be because it doubles over itself. Second, you have to figure out how thick to have it because you don't want a anorexic tail, right? You want it to be nice and lush. But you also don't want it to be overstuffed where it won't sit right. So it's kind of like go back and forth. And I actually didn't have what I thought was enough to begin with for the first time, and you can see me go back and add more later. So next I am preparing my rerooting by going in and poking some of those holes just to make sure they're open. It does make it a little easier. I didn't struggle as much with rerooting this time, rehairing. But yeah, if you still have any kind of tips and tricks, feel free to leave them in the comments. This is the part that I struggle with the most. Once she has all of those hair plugs in, you need to make sure that you go and you glue them down. I'm just using tacky glue. My tacky glue is a little bit dried up. It's causing me a lot of issues, but I manage it in the end. This is our 2022 Pride Month, a little bit late pony. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. And I'll see you guys next time.